numbers only mean something when translated into the experience of individuals. Here's a story of Stephanie, which is reported by Michael Flannery, who now serves as the communications director for Goodwill Industries.
Stephanie Mitchell had been a model employee for Kroger's for years.
I've been in the store since October. Don't believe she's missed a day. Don't believe she's missed a minute. She's an excellent employee. If you had a dozen Stephanies, you could rule the world.
I am joined this morning by Richard Astrike, who is with the development office of the local Goodwill Industries, which is the Ohio Valley Goodwill Industries. Welcome to Newsmakers.
Good to be here, Dan.
By the way, having Michael Flannery is your communications director with his experience in television and his commitment to young people particularly is a great asset for Goodwill Industries.
It really is. We're glad to have Michael working with us.
Yeah, it's a very nice little piece that he created there.